Welcome to Trip Hack Hub, where we help you travel smarter, spend less, and experience more. Quick question for you. What's the last place you traveled to? Let us know in the comments below. Flying in economy is fine until you see the person in row 4 reclining their chair into a full bed while you are stuck with a neck pillow. You do not have to be a millionaire to sit up there. You just have to stop treating your credit card points like a generic gift card. Most people make the mistake of redeeming points directly through a travel portal. You get 1 cent per point if you are lucky. That is the worst way to use them. You should be transferring those points to airline partners instead. This is where the magic happens. A single flight that costs 80,000 points through a portal might only cost 20,000 points when transferred to a partner airline. The math is simple. You are effectively quadrupling the value of every dollar you spend. Start by focusing on transferable point currencies. You want points that move between ecosystems. Look for cards that earn flexible currency. These are your golden tickets. When you have these points, you do not commit to one airline until you are ready to book. That is the key to flexibility. You can hunt for award space across different carriers. If United does not have a seat, you check their partners like Singapore Airlines or Air Canada. The inventory changes constantly. You need a tool to search this for you. There are websites that aggregate award availability. You just plug in your destination. It tells you exactly which airline partner has the lowest rate. Do not hunt manually for hours. That is a waste of your time. Next, you have to talk about the transfer ratio. Most programs move points at a 1-to-1 ratio. Sometimes there are bonuses. Airlines want your business. They offer 30% extra points if you transfer during a promotion. I once transferred 50,000 points to an airline during a bonus window. That turned into 65,000 miles. That extra 15,000 miles was the difference between an economy seat and a premium economy upgrade. Always keep an eye on your email for those transfer alerts. It is the easiest way to generate value without spending an extra cent. Another huge mistake is waiting until the last minute to look for upgrades. If you wait until you are at the gate, you are going to pay cash. The cash prices are astronomical. You want to look for Saver award space. This is space the airline releases months in advance. If you see a business class seat for a reasonable amount of points, you book it immediately. You can always cancel later if your plans change. Most programs have very generous cancellation policies for award tickets. It costs a tiny fee to redeposit your miles. That is a small price to pay for securing a seat that would otherwise cost thousands of dollars. Finally, check your credit card benefits for travel protections. You want a card that includes trip delay and cancellation insurance. If you are booking these high-value flights, you need that safety net. It saves you from losing everything if a storm grounds your plane. Some of these cards also offer credits for global entry or TSA PreCheck. That makes the airport experience infinitely better. You save time and you save stress. It is not just about the seat on the plane. It is about the entire travel experience. You are not just a budget traveler anymore. You are playing the system to travel smarter. Review your current cards tonight. Look at the transfer partners. See where your points are actually going. You might be surprised at how much closer you are to that flatbed seat than you think. Start small, move a few points, book a short domestic flight in a better seat. You will see how it works. Once you get that first upgrade for almost nothing, you will never look at a credit card statement the same way again. Quick but important travel hack. Set up your eSIM before you fly. This is where most travelers make a costly mistake. They land in a new country and suddenly realize they have no data, no Google Maps, no Uber, no way to message their hotel, and no way to translate anything. You're standing in an airport, tired, possibly jet-lagged, trying to find Wi-Fi just to figure out your next move. That's not how you want to start your trip. Here's the smarter move. Set up an eSIM before you even leave home. An eSIM is a digital SIM card built right into your phone. Instead of swapping physical SIM cards, you just download a plan, scan a QR code, or install via an app, and activate it in your phone settings. That's it. No stores, no waiting in airport kiosks, no dealing with language barriers. The moment your plane lands and you turn off airplane mode, you're connected instantly. Having data right when you land means you can open maps immediately, call a ride in seconds, contact your hotel, check bookings, and navigate public transit without getting lost or overpaying for taxis. And roaming charges from your home carrier can be insanely expensive. eSIMs are usually a fraction of the price, especially for short trips. We've tested a lot of options, and our go-to providers are Saily and Airalo. They're reliable, easy to set up, and cover most countries around the world. Quick tip: install and activate your eSIM before your flight, but only turn it on when you land, so you don't waste any data time. We've put links to the best eSIM providers, along with other travel companies we use, in the description below. Using those links doesn't cost you anything extra, but we do earn a small commission, and that support helps us keep this channel running and keep making helpful travel videos for you. Here's one for you. What's the next country on your travel bucket list? Drop it in the comments. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe to Trip Hack Hub for more travel hacks. Now check out this next video. It's the one most travelers wish they watched before their last trip.